With this head simulation, you'll feel like you're in the same room as the other person, with facial expressions visible from any angle on both sides. Panasonic Corporation has developed the Coma exoskeleton, which will elevate your mobility experience to new heights. Adidas has succeeded again by partnering with bicycle manufacturer Continental, turning sneakers into wheels. The multifunctional 81R device combines a flashlight, navigator, GPS emergency signal, water purifier, and power bank that charges your phone in just 2 hours, making it a true find for travelers. The underground motorcycle parking concept allows efficient use of space under your house. The smallest air pump easily inflates and deflates an air mattress while adding a bit of light to your camping adventures. This Swiss Army knife for watches, created with the ready-for-anything principle, is set to take versatility to a new level. Immerse yourself in the travel atmosphere with 8i vibes and elevate your outdoor recreation to a whole new level. Soon, your hand will become the remote control of the future. Bobslide is possibly the coolest thing for sliding on snow you've ever seen. With a modern, portable ultrasound scanner, doctors can perform quality examinations anywhere and view the results right on their phone. Say goodbye to allergic rhinitis with the Medico device, which will permanently rid your nose of inflammation with the magical touch of red light. The dual-chamber extractive pump quickly removes toxins from blood due to scorpion and spider bites, and the Bite Assistant comes to the rescue by relieving itching, heating, and neutralizing bacteria introduced by mosquitoes. Colax is a smart hand-warming bag that heats up in 3 seconds, ensuring you are always warm and comfortable. The incredible speed of this motorized wheelbarrow will triple your productivity. Take a look at the world's first electric airplane, Regent, which can reach speeds of up to 180 miles per hour and take off right from the water. Dive into underwater exploration with cinematic clarity using the 5-ish underwater drone equipped with a high-definition camera and wide-angle lens. This motorized kayak reaches speeds of up to 6 miles per hour and features a unique design that provides stability, allowing you to stand and confidently cast your fishing line for hours. The SwitchBot curtain easily automates your curtains with a single touch or scheduled settings in the app. After 7 years of development, the Mark Outdoor Air Conditioner is presented, your perfect cooling solution with 7 silent control modes. Hoverboards on a magnetic cushion can now fly instead of rolling on asphalt, making your dream finally come true. Stay connected anywhere with the Zolo satellite communicator, which sends texts, emails, or SOS signals even in areas without a common network. With the kickstick, you can enhance your skateboarding skills and accelerate up to 30 miles per hour for added coolness. You can rise above the rest in your outdoor adventures with the multifunctional Mars device, which boils water, cools, grills, illuminates, and even has lasers for navigation. The best stroller for parents is the one that frees their hands. Ladies, you no longer need to worry about fatigue from heels. Now you can switch to comfortable walking and back in seconds. So this massive robotic suit can lift literally tons of weight, making it an indispensable assistant for evacuation and rescue operations that amaze the imagination. The Bliss hammock, weighing only 21 ounces, provides shelter from rain and comfort on the go with an all-in-one design. Immerse yourself in a virtual world that feels absolutely real when you sway on the virtual boot simulator. Kneebot with artificial intelligence is a fantastic home assistant that can easily be taught to handle tasks without unnecessary conversation. The X model creates a personal computer paradise with stunning image quality and dynamic sound, ensuring superb immersion in the atmosphere. Use it for work or dive into gaming. Introducing a robot capable of reaching hard-to-access places and turning your toilet into the sparkling porcelain throne it was always meant to be. Check out the KE2 electric hydrofoil boat, which combines the speed of a Formula One car with the freedom of gliding on water. Meet Bird, a Bluetooth device that turns any space into your personal playground with just a flick of your fingers. With a compact rescue device on your belt, you can easily save yourself from water. Now anyone can braid the perfect plait thanks to this gadget. Imagine being able to sweat it out at home anytime while looking at your personal trainer in the mirror. It's amazing. The Goen Kettle is a kettle that runs on 100% solar energy and can boil water in just 15 minutes. Safe driving with the Uno transforming bike. Electric, quiet, fast, and agile. Glide effortlessly to your destination with motorized roller skates, pure fun only. Introducing the world's first inflatable bicycle that can easily move on water. I'm sure you've never seen anything like it. Behold this amazing 17-ton Titan. Meet the flying Nova Pro, the latest sensation that has even surpassed the spinner craze. Innovative technologies have solved the parking dilemma for many car owners. Check out this brilliant idea that will forever change your perception of food trucks. Once you see this workspace for your computer, you'll feel the urge to ascend its throne like the Scorpion King. The V-shaped pattern on this chain is strangely hypnotic and digs a trench. Take a look at this bike lift, your ticket to smoothly conquering steep slopes. With North glasses, stay connected, chat with friends, and navigate without looking at your phone. Information just for your eyes, and it's very cool. As for those in need, this wheelchair can maneuver while the companion operates an attendant robot, expanding user capabilities and overcoming obstacles. Reconsider your parking strategy with the help of advanced Stanley robots, always at your service. Introducing the automatic lifeguard Pluta, which prevents water emergencies. Imagine a remotely controlled humanoid robot capable of commanding space flights for future space exploration. This system can not only spread tarps and shake fruit trees, but it can also process up to 661 pounds of produce at once. Now that's what I call progress. Take a look at the MX Phoenix, a 3D printed hexapod robot that smoothly navigates rough terrain, and thanks to its flat symmetrical design, it can effortlessly move in any direction, even if it flips over. A bot on a bionic wheel, a device capable of both walking and rolling. The design of this cooktop is so well thought out that it can withstand and remain undamaged even in the roughest seas. The world's largest airplane, powered by 6 Boeing 747 engines, is an enormous airborne platform for launching rockets into space. It's simply astounding. The InX emergency cradle allows effortless care for patients of any weight and condition, significantly reducing the physical strain on medical staff. This innovative device can turn anyone into a haymaking master. The Venter rake with a pump is a solution that will save you time, and you'll wish you had found it sooner. The Gyro Glove uses gyroscopic technology for revolutionary hand tremor control, providing stability and support for over 200 million people worldwide. Say hello to very simple flood barriers and say goodbye to water damage forever. This pickup truck catches the eye with its unique design, and its ability to quickly retrieve seaplanes from the water is simply impressive. Winning the team game is great, but the comfort of the stadium chair with a soft backrest is pure joy while watching the game. Load up your buggy and hit the off-road trails without any hassle, thanks to this nimble hydraulic platform. Immerse yourself in the vintage elegance of the 19th century combined with the latest technology and ultralight design. Thanks to the work of Tetro, each step of the staircase gets a thorough cleaning. The underwater sphere is your front row ticket to the underwater world, where exploration meets breathtaking views. The Braun carry chair enhances mobility by bringing the chair directly to you with the push of a button. Let's face it, stealing a motorcycle parked in the air isn't easy, thanks to this ingenious system. No more carrying things by hand. Poggio takes care of you and helps carry your purchases. What you see before you is the world's largest movable bridge, which protects about 2 million residents from storm surges. With the rotation of the geo-orbital wheel, give your bike a fresh electric upgrade. It's amazingly impressive. You will be amazed by this musical masterpiece made from regular PVC pipes, but you'll need the skill to play them. Imagine a future where drones build houses. Can't wait for it. Powered by a powerful 3,000-watt motor, the Ripple is set to revolutionize the future of snowboarding. The world's first kinetic chess set, priced at $4,999, offers an experience I'm sure you're eager to try. This thermochromic car paint will make your car impossible to look away from, especially in the rain. Discover an RV that transforms into a 25-foot yacht, smoothly sailing at 13 knots. It's a real dream for land and sea. The Toyota Research Institute is revolutionizing robotics, creating machines that can take on routine tasks, giving people more freedom. Enjoy your personal big screen anytime and anywhere just by putting on glasses. Learn to master moto drifting easily with the Skid Bike, a motorcycle with training wheels that takes you from novice to pro. Transporting 184-ton wind turbine blades is made possible by an extendable telescopic trailer and engineering equipment. If you think you know how to save space, wait until you see the technology that allows a pool to be hidden underground. I know you love this video. Share it with your friends right away and start watching the next one. It's going to be even cooler.